Sovos Tax Software Review Using Experience. Sovos is a comprehensive tax compliance software solution designed to assist businesses in automating and simplifying their tax process across various jurisdictions. It caters to sales and use tax compliance, value-added tax VAT, reporting and regulatory reporting, aiming to reduce manual intervention and ensuring adherence to ever revolve tax regulation. And here are the key features about this platform, which is automated tax calculation. Sovos provide accurate tax calculation across multiple regions, enabling complaints to meet local, state, and international tax requirements seamlessly. And also, this platform automates the filling of various tax and regulatory reports, helping businesses maintaining compliance with government regulation and reduce the risk of error and penalties. And also, Sovos integrates with existing business system, facilitating a smooth flow of data and maximizing disruption to current workflow. And here's the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pro, users have praised Sovos for its ability to handle complex tax scenarios during compliance across various jurisdictions and reducing the risk of audit, and also efficient tint matching with a responsive customer support. Many users have reported that the Sophos teams is very responsive when addressing questions or issues, particularly during process like 1090 filling. And also, here's the downside: complex user interface. Some users have found the software interface to be less intuitive, with certain functions requiring navigation through multiple systems, leading to potential inefficiency with integration challenges. And here the overall verdict about this platform: Sovos stands as a robust solution for businesses seeking to automate and streamline their tax compliance process. Its comprehensive features and responsive customer support make it valuable tools for managing complex tax obligations. However, potential users should consider the software complexity and ensure compatibility with their existing system to maximize its benefit.